Greetings! I'm here. I want to tell you how to make a coffee. So, don't waste the time. Let's begin. First thing, you must have an ingredient. This is a coffee powder, sugar, and of course, a cup. The next part is let's boil a water. With the high fire, just need sometimes but not too long until the water is boiled. The next is put all ingredients into a cup. First, you need to put a 1 measuring spoon coffee powder into cup. Okay, the next, put sugar in the cup. You can put 2 measuring spoon if you like sweet. If you don't like, just put it once. Cause I don't like sweet, I put it once. And then put the hot water. And the next, mix it all. Congratulations, you already make a cup of coffee. Just drink it and enjoy that coffee.